the 2020 Ram 2500. Top features include a split folding rear seat, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a leather steering wheel, a built-in garage door transmitter, a rear step bumper, skid plates, a bed liner, and remote keyless entry. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.